One of 3 firefighters seriously injured en route to help relief efforts for Hurricane Helene has been released from the hospital. A photo released by San Diego Fire Rescue shows a smiling Captain Greg Davies next to a chaplain's canine in his hospital bed in Louisiana. The 15-year department veteran released from the hospital on Tuesday. No word on the updated conditions of the other 2 firefighters, identified as Battalion Chief Ed Barbat and Captain Jesse Schultz. Here's Chief Barbat speaking right before the mission.
The team is deployed to many hurricanes.
The 48-member Task Force 8, including its vaunted water rescue team from all across the county, left this weekend en route to hurricane-ravaged North Carolina. Early Sunday morning, a collision between a truck and an 18-wheeler near the Louisiana-Texas border, seriously injuring 3 San Diego firefighters, 2 of them critically.
Anytime there's an injury to one of our own, it's close.
Battalion Chief David Piccone has been helping lead the response for San Diego Fire Rescue's Health and Safety Office.
The most immediate need was to reunite loved ones. We're told flight and other arrangements were made for a total of 11 family members.
Also flying out 2 chaplains with canines, therapy dogs of sorts, along with 6 peer support members, some assisting the family members.
Still a roller coaster at this point, and our hope is just to be there at the highs and the lows.
The other support resources were sent to Texas, where the remaining task force members were waiting word of what's next.
For the rest of the task force, it's really been a mix of emotions.
Correct. They were on a mission. You have that mixed emotion of, we're not there, we didn't get there.
Michael Chen, ABC 10 News.